I just want to show you that these are a little bit loose, and that is what I wanted to show you we use the toothpicks for. So when it's loose like that, I usually just stick a toothpick on the bottom and just break it off flush, and that's it. Now it's tight and you can slide your shelf in with no problem. So when we set the anchor in plates, I was telling you use a little bit of glue. A little bit of glue goes a long way. So I like to just put a tiny little bit like that, little dab, and then I spread it out. And I just do the side that's going into the wall. So very, very little bit. All the structural support's in the anchor itself, not the glue. The glue just holds it in place. So you can see that's a very tiny, small amount of glue. And if you use more than that, it's just going to expand out everywhere, and it's going to be harder for you to clean up later. So you just stick it in. That expands. Gorilla Glue expands like 100 times. So believe it or not, that's going to do just fine. And I'm just going to put my toothpick in, break it all flush with the tile, and that's it. That's ready to go. And you just put some adhesive on the channel of the shelf, a very small amount again. Usually I like to go only really where the anchoring plates are, and then we can just slide our shelf into place. I can just show you that real quick. Oh, got another toothpick. Grab a shelf. Uh-oh. Alright, so with the shelf, you just want to, put the glue just where the anchoring plates are. If you want to use a pencil to mark where they are, you can do that as well. And just take your time, line everything up, and put it in.